Morning neighbors, as you can see, we're having a foodie challenge today. With of course, and naturally, two foodies in the house, Hannah and Tina. Because I eat food for survival, they eat food for pleasure and just round the clock. Yeah, I eat food for survival like Zahra. Leila know when she grows up will definitely be in a challenge like this. But today, we're having an unscrambled word spicy noodle level 1 only, not a ridiculous level, challenge-ish thingy. So that's the chili sauce that will be added in after I pour it in the hot water.
The hot water, there it is in Hannah's, and in goes the hot water in my own. While we cover it,
I smell the heat.
you can already smell the heat.
And because the chili sauce don't even put in there yet.
So let's meet our contestants and hear their resumes. So Hannah,
What's your experience with spicy?
what's it? Not just express your love for food generally. What does food mean to you?
Food means everything to me. It's necessary for me, for survival, for
Right.
everybody.
Right,
It is very necessary for me
right.
when I feel hungry.
Which is all the
Or
time.
sad, or happy.
Yeah.
There's a food for every occasion,
Yes.
every
There
emotion.
is. There is.
Okay, and what do you think your chances are in the challenge with mommy today?
I have a good chance.
You think you'll win?
Yes, I eat spicy food. Or I eat spicy tuna.
But
straight up.
remember, there's an added component of unscrambling. So while eating, you have to be thinking about the words to unscramble as well. So that's something to think about.
Okay, I think I'll do
You
fine.
think you'll have it okay?
Yeah.
And other contestant, Miss Tina, what's your experience with food?
Well, I've been eating food for many
Pretty much all
years
your life.
now, all my life, pretty much. So I think I have a fair experience with food. Spicy food, as you can see, mixed with some Indian. So I've been, eating spicy food
So
for a
part of
very
your
long
heritage.
time. Yeah.
Okay. And what do you think your
But,
chances are for today?
Well, see, I really like spicy food, but I actually don't handle it that well. So it's fair to, middling. But with the unscrambled words, I think I got an edge on this one,
You think you have an edge for the unscrambled part?
Yeah.
And this is just a level 1 hot and spicy from, what's the company again? Nissin?
Listen.
Right, just level 1.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
nothing ridiculous.
Level one.
So the rules are simple. We have 20 scrambled words that are food related. Each person who guesses the correct word first gets 1 point for that word. And if they complete their noodle and broth, they get 10 points. Without completing the noodle and broth, they get 0 points. Or should I say 5 points for noodles only?
No, 0.
So, it's an all or nothing for the noodles. Noodle and broth, 10 points. No, if you do noodles only or broth only, 0 points. 20 words unscramble, 1 point each. And we are going to begin now.
I don't think Hannah got all her chili out
Oh.
of her
I
bag.
did.
No. There's chili left. All chili. should
All
be out.
chili must be out of
Please,
the
it's
bag.
all out. There should be nothing left in there. Very good technique.
Very
Very good technique by Tina over here. Experience in the food is showing. So Hannah, come on, yes. Alright. Now give it a good mix. Mix it up.
Okay.
Leila and Zahra, you excited?
Yeah.
In 5 years time you can try something like this, okay? It's too hot for you now. We have 10 minutes on the clock. So, we're beginning now in 3, 2, 1, go!
First word cake.
First word is?
Cake.
Tart.
Juice.
Whoa. Alright, so they're off to a pretty good start. Next word.
Prepare. No.
Wrong.
Pepper.
The first 4 were just warm ups, and they're pretty warm
Yeah.
from the food they're eating. So let's go again.
Biscuit.
What?
Wow. Wow. Hannah is blazing. Blazing. Next word.
Pancake.
Wow. Tina on the board. So how is the food going?
It's up there, but it's going okay.
It's going okay. Alright, just for a recap, these words are pretty simple. Hannah is now on 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Tina is on 2 points. Next word.
It's in the throat. It's in the throat.
Next word coming up right now.
Popcorn.
Wow. It's pretty amazing. Do I need more words?
Yo, give us spirit.
Something went.
Next
What?
word.
What? What's that?
Alright.
Peg.
How is the food going?
Oh, you forgot to tell him that we have 30 seconds to answer.
Time is going.
Guinea.
Because we're going so
Planting.
Because we're going so fast, let us let this one stay for a while. Nobody has this, Hannah?
Give us a hint. Can we get hints?
No.
Why can't we get hints?
Anybody in the
Pineapple.
anybody in the audience can figure out what this is? Please type it in the comments. And type in the comments right now who your money is on. Tina or Hannah? Who do you think will see it through? The hot and spicy broth, hot and spicy noodles
It actually tastes good.
with the unscrambled words. Who do you see coming out on
Eggplant.
top? There you have it! Tina, edging ahead. Tina, edging ahead. Okay.
Woo. Oh no! What is that?
Hannah is taking a big gulp.
No, you're not going to seriously eat that.
Wow. Hannah is...
Is that even allowed?
Next word.
Pineapple.
That came from Tina first. Alright.
Aha!
I don't see anybody drinking any broth. Let me see some broth drinking, man. Let me see take a sip of the broth and let me know how the broth is.
Why? The broth drinking is rough enough.
How is it? It's in your throat, right?
Am I sweating?
Of course you're sweating.
I think I'm sweating.
How's the broth, Hannah?
Oh, it's not that bad.
Not that bad? Okay.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Next word.
Guinea. Pineapple. Oh wait, that was the worst one.
A simile. Clims. No.
So has the Mazurla, guys.
What?
You are thrown by this one. You see, I gave you some easy one to start and you just shut them off, but no.
This is a food?
No, you're stumbling.
This is a food word?
Is that fruit?
This is a food that Hannah particularly likes. Tina probably as well, but I know Hannah likes it. It's often...
Milkshake.
Ah.
From you say Hannah like it.
Alright, next word coming up.
Pretty fruger.
Hannah, come on, you have to get back in. You have to get back in.
I think Hannah is enjoying her soup a little bit too much.
A little too casual there, Hannah. Come on.
Woo. This is grapefruit.
Wow.
Woo. But hey, she almost done all her noodles. Jesus.
So let's recap the scores right now. We're almost at the halfway mark, and it's getting progressively more difficult. Tina is on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's getting hot in here.
7 points, and Hannah is on 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow.
Alright, next word coming up.
Basket. Or
Just a cat? Just a bat? Just a bat.
You see, on the fly of the first 4 words, and I give it a whoop and no one stumbling.
Crab cakes?
Nope.
Crab bisque?
Nope. Hannah? Anything? Any guess?
hint.
Hint? Okay. At our house, we can finish 2 of this in 3 days.
Bread.
Bread basket?
No. What's the end of after that?
Bread sticks?
Bread loaf.
Bread?
Bread
Loaf.
sticks?
Bread?
Bread
Loaf.
sticks?
No. You're close, Tina, but that's not it.
bread
Pack.
No. Tina, you are close.
Rolls.
Oh my gosh. This one, we're moving on from this one. Answer was bread stick.
Oh my
Stick.
gosh! Because I said
Next word.
I said breadsticks.
Next word.
That doesn't count with no S.
Next word right here.
Strawberry.
Correct. Hannah, come on. Next word.
Kiwi. No.
You're
I just want to
not going to get this one. This is a type of sweet.
A type of sweet.
Cake. No.
A type of sweet.
Yeah.
Beware.
It's gone.
Okay. A type of sweet that we have in Jamaica.
A type of sweet that is tough on the mouth.
Jawbreaker.
Wow, Hannah. You better be doing very good with the rules over there, because.
and under her breath.
Okay, go Hannah, that's your 10 points right there. Make sure you finish before her. So, next word. Oh,
Snap over. You sound like German for snap lover. Snap lover.
what's this word?
It have snack in there, for true?
No.
Quick crack.
It's a type of. Hannah, please read it. A type of cereal. Oh gosh, Hannah.
Cornflakes.
Oh my gosh. Hannah, make sure you eat the soup over there, because it don't look so promising. Next word up.
Come on.
Next word.
Watermelon.
Alright. Next word coming up right now.
Pineapple.
No.
Pimento.
No. Come Hannah, come on.
Is that fruit?
No. Something you used to make. Used to make tea?
That looks like condensed milk.
Wait, something I used to
That
make
looks
tea.
like sugar.
Tea bag. What is in tea bag?
What's in tea bag?
Tea bag? Tetley?
Peppermint.
Oh my gosh.
I never knew that.
You know what I'm
And I start to not drink tea like you.
Oh.
What? What you doing?
Hannah, senior 10 points. Have to get her 10
No,
points.
you have to use spoon.
No, you have to use
Why?
spoon.
Okay.
Make sure you look at the board now, Hannah.
Oh
Next word.
God.
Next word coming up now. Go.
Pimento. No.
Are they so full?
Ready? 1 minute left for the challenge, you know.
1 minute?
Yes, so this one, you can get it at...
Soda pop.
No. Alright. Examples are lobster, shrimp.
Seafood.
Whoa! 1 minute left to go. Make sure the broth is getting there, Hannah. Make sure. Alright, next word coming up right now.
You have noodles leave. Come show them. So this is what's left of mine. And I have enough noodles leave for hers. She can't manage to drink them too fast.
What's this one? This is going soup.
Kick shave.
Hannah, this going soup.
Going soup?
Yeah.
Potato.
No.
Yam.
Really,
Fancy.
Hannah? Really? You going soup?
Chicken.
Yeah. There's a chick is a part of it.
Chickpea.
Please, no!
Right, chickpeas. Last word coming up right now. You have watched food.
Horseradish.
Yes. You have food channel to know this channel to know this one. And time is up.
Woo!
Time up, guys.
Woo!
Let's see. Alright, so Tina did pretty good with the. I would say that's complete, right?
Yeah,
guys?
yeah.
That's complete.
Yeah. That's
Hannah, let's see what's in yours.
Hannah, come on.
Oh, come on, Hannah.
Come on.
How did you find the spices? Was it too
The
hot?
level? Or it's okay.
Hmm?
Can you see? Look at me. Look at me.
The sweat. Sweat, blood, and tears. Hannah, how did you find it? Was it spicy?
The broth, it wasn't spicy when you took sips of it, but when you tried to drink it out with water.
Strategy.
Oh,
So you have to strategize in
too much at one time.
You have to strategize. That's why take small sips.
Okay. Do we even need to do the scores? Or should I throw in a bonus round for Hannah?
All or nothing?
All or nothing.
I know what you say. You want it to wager?
Okay.
Woo. My nose, I run.
Alright, so we're back. And we have a bonus round.
Johnny?
Yeah, 10 points each. 10 points each for each of these correct answers.
Wow.
Alright.
And is this time too?
No time in here. But we're going in 3.
There's nothing on here.
I know. 2, 1. Get ready. Go.
The spice cleared up all the sinuses,
KFC.
Okay. That's 10 more points for Hannah there. Alright, there are 2 more.
Just 3 left.
There are 2 more.
Starbucks.
What? This is not fair.
Last one.
That look like Krabatos.
Last one, ready?
Popeyes.
So that's it?
That's it. Only 3. The final scores are from the bonus rounds. Hannah took all 30 points up for grabs. And we'll be adding to those points from before. She has no points from the noodles. Tina has all 10 points from the noodles. The final scores will be presented.
It's KFC. You know, that's not right because the C is big and the K and the F are little.
It's right. It's
That's not fair. Neighbors, is that even how you spell KFC?
It's fine. So there we have it, everyone. The foodie challenge ended between this foodie right here and this foodie right here. And the winning foodie is this foodie right here. So Hannah took it this time
Well done.
in the bonus
Grasshopper.
round. In the bonus round. Please shake hands in true spirit of the food challenge.
Yeah, already.
Already did, okay. Alright, so next time I'm going to be taking on the winner, which was Hannah. I know I don't play with competition, I don't pet and pamper when it comes to competition, you see me? So
You also don't pet and pamper when it comes to losing. You're a sore loser.
I also that's why I compete so hard, because I don't like losing. So next challenge we're going to take it up a notch with this was the first level of spice. We're going to take it up to level 2 and I'm going to go against Hannah and we're going to see who is on top. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you're new and like the video. Until next time, take care from me and my foodie house. Alright, bye.
Bye, neighbors.